class 9, class 9, we are studying the lesson why do we fall ill. Son, why do we fall ill? Why do we fall ill? We are doing some exercises which are given in our book. So, see the first exercise, remains exercise of third lesson. The question is, what is immunization? What is immunization? Question is, what is question is what is immunization? So we have to write it answer as immunization is the process. It is immunization is the process by which our body produces, by which our body by which body produces antibody. Immunization is the process by which body produces antibiotics, by which body, that is by which the body produces antibodies against vaccine. Against vaccine. This is called the primary response. This is called as the primary response. Primary response. And develops ability to neutralize the pathogen, neutralize the pathogen during actual infection. Pathogen during actual infection. It is called as the secondary response. Secondary response. So, immunization is the process by which the body produces antibodies against the vaccines. This is called the primary response, and develops ability to neutralize the pathogen during actual infection, and it is actually the secondary response. So this is the immunization. Now next question, what we have to study? The next question. Other questions. What are the immunization programs available at the nearest health center in your locality? Which of these diseases are the major health problems in your area? So once again listen the question. What are the immunization programs available at the nearest health center in your locality? Which of these diseases are the major health problems in your area? So at nearest, we can write, this is the next question. We can write the next question after immunization. Next question. Listen the question. What are the immunization programs available at the nearest health center? So answers. Following immunization programs are available at our nearest health center. Nearest health center. So, what are the RNAs? One is for preventing polio. This is very common. And second, for preventing tetanus, for preventing the tetanus, diphtheria, and whooping cough. more clear we can bring up. So and third, first preventing polio, second preventing tetanus, diphtheria and whooping cough, and for tuberculosis, for preventing tuberculosis means TB vaccines are present for preventing tuberculosis, and measles for preventing measles. More clear. So these are the following immunization programs are available at our nearest health center. First, for preventing polio. Second, for preventing tetanus, diphtheria and whooping cough. Third one, for preventing tuberculosis. Next, for preventing measles. And what written? Which of these diseases are the major health problems in your area? So occasionally what happens? Occasionally children suffer from measles. In our area, occasionally children suffer from measles. So these are the question answers of the chapter, and after studying this we have to start the revision of lesson first, that is the cell. We have to start the revision of the cell. We will start in the next video. Thank you. That's part of it.